Hey guys, we're going to do a short video on a Swan's catheter. So your patient is coming up from cath lab and they already have a continuous cardiac output Swan in place. This one does not have SvO2 monitoring capabilities. If it did, it would look like this, that little blue box there. So whenever you know that you're getting a patient with a Swan, go ahead and get 3 different pressure tubing setups. So we have these going to our pressure bags with our saline in them, and we have them labeled arterial, CVP, and PA. So you'll want to get those all ready. You'll also want to get a cable that's going to go to your monitor. You can get one of these nice triple ones, or if you can just find individual A-line cables, that works also. But this one makes it a little bit easier and more organized. Then you'll also need to get the vigilance here. And the cable that you're going to be needing plugs in right over here, and it has these 2 ends.
And that should be located on the vigilance.
Yes. This would be what you would need for the CVO2 monitoring, and it should also be attached. It's a darker gray cord. Okay, so we've got our catheter in place here, and you've got your different ports and your cords here. And then you've got your syringe for inflating the balloon on the end of the catheter when you need to get a wedge pressure. So this is our yellow one. So this is going to be our pulmonary artery pressure. We're going to hook up our pressure tubing for our pulmonary artery. We're going to attach the end of the cable to the yellow one. The colors just help things to stay straight in your head.
If for some reason you get them hooked up incorrectly, you can just change the label on the monitor. That's not a problem. This is your CVP line.
CVP.
We know because it's
blue.
blue.
And here's the label here. And then we're going to take the end of that cord and plug it in here. Now this is all becoming a tangled mess. And then wherever your arterial line hookup is, you will hook it up. If you have a radial A line or wherever your A line is, you hook that up and plug it in here. Okay, so you've got all your pressure bags hooked up. So now we need to hook up the actual machine. This one is just an infusion port. So this is like they used to call it a VIP line where you can run saline through here. Okay, so these little caps come off.